So here is our image we have exported from Revit, and this is a render view or a realistic view of our office building. This tutorial is about rendering, how we can create render views in Revit. So this is an office plan, and we will work on it, and then we will see how to create render views. So, and this is a plan view, as you can see, a level 1 plan. So to create render, we firstly select a camera view. So for this, let's we go on view tab. Here is option of camera. So let's place camera at this point. And then click onward. So click here. So this is our camera view. So we can adjust it. So let's convert into realistic view. So this is our realistic view of office building. So let's we make a render. Here is option of render. Simply click here, and then you can see we have multiple options. Let's see them one by one. And this is the setting option. We have different type of setting qualities. And this is drop quality, medium quality, high quality, best quality. You can choose according to your project. And so let's choose, I'm choosing medium quality. These are the resolutions, and this is the screen resolution, and these are the printer resolution. And let's select. So you can see we have 75 dpi resolution, 150, 300 and 600. So let's we choose 150 for this tutorial. Simply click here, and these are the settings for lighting. We can use sunlight lightings. Then we can, if we have installed any artificial lights inside our building, any light fixture in our building, and then we can select sun and artificial. So let's, for this tutorial, select sun only. So here is the background. We can choose different type of backgrounds, whether you want to choose no clouds, few clouds, and then cloudy, and then very cloudy. And this is the color. We can set a color in background from here. We can also choose any image. We can export or sorry, we can import any image, and then we can use it as our background. And then the last option is transparent. So let's we choose sky cloudy. So simply firstly render it. Click here. So this is our render view, you can see. So let's check other settings or other properties, and these are the adjust exposure. Click here. So we have different options. So we want to make it more darker, so select it, then hit apply. So again select it. This is the highlight option. We can increase the highlights. This is the shadow option. We can increase, and this is the saturation. So let's drag it to. So these are the different options or different properties. Simply click OK. And then from this option we can view our first model, and this is our model, and this is our render view. So we can save this render view in our project. Simply save to project, and let's name it as render view. And also export this image as JPG or PNG. So simply click here, export. You want JPG, PNG, so let's view this image, it, and here is the image. So here is our image we have exported from Revit, and this is the render view or a realistic view of our office building. So again, go in Revit. So here is our render views. Simply click here and then click here. So this is our render view we have saved in our project. So this is the basic tutorial about rendering, how we can create render views in Revit. So I hope you understand this tutorial. If you have any query, any question, you can ask me in comments. And don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you.